Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see Convert SFID feature in Organizer for Salesforce. Now, I am in Salesforce Classic homepage. If you have an ID of an account, you just paste it in the URL and it will automatically redirect to the account in the Classic. But doing the same, you need to convert this 15-digit Classic ID into an 18-digit ID. To do that, go to Organizer, click Convert SFID and paste the 15-digit value in this text box and it will automatically convert into a 18-digit ID. Copy it and switch to Lightning Experience. Just paste that ID in the URL like this and you can automatically redirect to that account. So this feature will help you to convert that 15-digit Classic ID into an 18-digit Lightning ID. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.